No, you stop it. You're stupid. You need more brightness in your life, not me. What is Kelvin? Kelvin is a unit of measurement used to describe the hue of a light source. Color temperature is measured with Kelvin, so lower color temperatures are considered warm, while higher color temperatures are considered cool.
Who do you think you are?
I know, it might sound confusing. The description has nothing to do with the temperature, but how the color groups are perceived. Let's take a look at some examples of Kelvin and color temperature. A flame from a match rates at about 1700 degrees Kelvin. Candlelight, 1900 degrees Kelvin. Incandescent bulbs range from 24 to 2600 degrees Kelvin. LED bulbs, 24 to 2700 degrees Kelvin, which is a temperature we at Color Cord Company prefer. I love you. Daylight, 55 to 6500 degrees Kelvin. Now we'll check out some bulb variations that provide different temperatures of light. With all the variation in our LED bulbs that we have to offer, don't be afraid to be
Bold and daring.
Experiment with different color temperatures in different settings. We hope this video helps with your understanding of color temperature in Kelvin. Visit our LED blog page for even more information.
Who do you think you are?